Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Vigabatrin. Vigabatrin is actually a GABA transaminase inhibitor. Vigabatrin is a GABA transaminase inhibitor. Okay, and it is irreversible GABA transaminase inhibitor. This Vigabatrin is actually it is used in infantile spasms. We can use this Vigabatrin. That too, Vigabatrin is only used in refractory cases of the infantile spasm. The drug of choice for the drug of choice for infantile spasms is actually ADH. ACTH, sorry. Drug of choice for infantile spasm is adrenocorticotropic hormone. So Vigabatrin is only used in infantile spasms in refractory cases, or it is the drug of choice for infantile spasms which is seen in tuberous sclerosis. Drug of choice for infantile spasms seen in tuberous sclerosis is Vigabatrin, but the normal drug of choice for infantile spasm is adrenocorticotropic hormone. Side effects of Vigabatrin. Side effects causes spinal cord edema, and it also results in visual hallucinations are seen with Vigabatrin.
thank you and thank you for watching.